Istanbul is one of those cities that feels like it's from another world, where East meets West, history meets modern life, and every corner tells a story. But what's it like to explore Istanbul with kids? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best family-friendly tours, must-see attractions, and day trips that will keep everyone happy, from toddlers to teenagers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plan a week in Istanbul without losing your sanity or your kids' attention spans. Before we dive in, if you're new here, I have other videos covering travel tips for families, including accommodation, food, and public transport in major cities. So make sure you check those out for a complete guide. But for now, let's focus on Istanbul and the adventures your kids are going to love. When it comes to spending your days in Istanbul with kids, the options are staggering. From ancient mosques and bustling bazaars to boat tours, interactive museums, and outdoor spaces where they can burn off energy, there's truly something for every age. In general, the key to a successful family trip is mixing history and culture with play and exploration. Istanbul is perfect for this. You can explore a 1,000-year-old palace in the morning, hop on a ferry to the Asian side at lunchtime, and let the kids marvel at gigantic fish in the aquarium by mid-afternoon. How to take advantage of your kids' interests. Before planning your Istanbul itinerary, consider what your kids enjoy most. Are they history buffs, curious about animals, obsessed with boats, or fans of epic stories and legends? Istanbul has it all. History and stories. Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, and the Basilica Cistern are fascinating for kids if you frame them as real-life adventure stories. Who doesn't want to imagine walking where sultans and emperors once ruled? Animals and nature. Istanbul Aquarium, Miniaturk, and kid-friendly parks give kids room to explore and engage with the world. Markets and food. Spice Bazaar, Grand Bazaar, and local markets are a feast for the senses. Let the kids sample Turkish delights, simit, and fresh pomegranate juice. They'll feel like little explorers. Boats and ferries. Kids are almost always captivated by the Bosphorus ferry rides. It's a scenic, relaxing way to see the city from the water, and they'll love spotting the Maiden's Tower or the palaces along the shoreline. Top family-friendly attractions in Istanbul. 1. Hagia Sophia is iconic, and kids love imagining the emperors, sultans, and architects who created this massive structure. Tip: bring a small guidebook or do a short storytelling session before you go. Kids love stories about the mosaics and giant domes. 2. Topkapi Palace is perfect for little adventurers. The palace rooms, the treasury, and the harem wings make it feel like a real-life fairy tale. Don't forget to peek at the weapon displays. They fascinate older kids and teens. 3. Basilica Cistern. Walking into the underground cistern is like stepping into another world. With its dim lighting, tall columns, and fish swimming in the water, it's eerie, fun, and a perfect spot to keep your kids engaged while learning some history. 4. Istanbul Aquarium and Sea Life. This is a guaranteed hit. From giant sharks to playful penguins, kids love the immersive experience. Make sure you check feeding times or special events. They often make the visit extra exciting. 5. Miniaturk is a miniature park with scaled-down replicas of Turkey's landmarks. It's a great way for kids to get a sense of the country without spending hours walking. Bonus: the park is stroller-friendly, and there's plenty of open space for them to run. 6. Prince's Islands. A short ferry ride from the city. These islands are a peaceful escape from Istanbul's hustle and bustle. No cars, horse-drawn carriages, and beautiful beaches make this a fun day trip for kids who love nature and animals. 7. Kid-friendly food adventures. From simit stands to dessert shops, Istanbul's food is part of the experience. Let kids pick their snacks and explore flavors. It's also a subtle way to teach them about culture and try something new. Daily allowances can work wonders here. They get to choose what they want to spend money on, whether it's sweets or little souvenirs. Planning day trips from Istanbul. If you've got a week, you can also venture out of the city for some amazing family-friendly day trips. 1. Edirne. About 2.5 hours away, Edirne is perfect for kids who like history and castles. The Selimiye Mosque is beautiful, and you can also check out local markets or enjoy a picnic by the Merik River. 2. Prince's Islands. If not done as a short trip in the city, spend a day biking or walking around the islands, enjoying the horse-drawn carriages, beaches, and ice cream stops along the way. 3. Sapanca and Masakia. 1.5 to 2 hour drive from Istanbul. These areas offer rivers, small waterfalls, and nature trails. It's perfect for a picnic, letting kids burn energy, and snapping some family photos in scenic surroundings. 4. Bursa. Take a ferry across the Sea of Marmara to Bursa. Kids will enjoy the cable car to Mount Uludag for panoramic views, while you can explore Ottoman-era mosques and markets. 5. Istanbul's Bosphorus cruise. Even a half-day cruise can feel like a mini-adventure. Kids enjoy spotting palaces, bridges, and the occasional seagull stealing a snack. Pack a small lunch or snacks to keep everyone happy on the water. Tips for multi-day family travel in Istanbul. 1. Be realistic with your schedule. Don't try to cram too much into a day. Kids get tired quickly, so mix museum visits with parks, ferry rides, or free playtime. A half-day museum followed by a ferry or park visit usually works best. 2. Stroller-friendly planning. Istanbul streets can be narrow, crowded, and cobblestoned. Bring a sturdy stroller if you have toddlers, but also be prepared for some carrying or folding during busy spots. 3. Public transport tips. Istanbul's metro, trams, and ferries are kid-friendly, but avoid rush hours if possible. The city is huge, so plan routes ahead. Istanbul Cart, the public transport card, is a lifesaver for hopping on and off buses, trams, and ferries. 4. Ticketing and apps. Many attractions sell tickets online. Highly recommended for places like Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, and the aquarium. Apps can also help track ferry schedules and provide maps of kid-friendly spots. 5. Age-appropriate activities. Younger kids might prefer parks, markets, and short interactive tours, while older kids and teens might enjoy museums, boat trips, and cultural workshops. Mix it up so everyone has something to look forward to each day. 6. Involve the kids in planning. Show them options ahead of time and let them pick a few activities. Giving them small choices, like which museum or which ferry route to take, helps them feel involved and less likely to complain. Making history fun for kids. Kids love stories, so turn historic sites into adventures. Hagia Sophia. Talk about emperors, mosaics, and the giant dome as if it's a treasure hunt. Topkapi Palace. Frame the harem and treasury as a real-life fairy tale, with secret rooms and hidden treasures. Basilica Cistern. Tell them about the Medusa heads or imagine it as an underground lair in a movie. Context matters. Even a small anecdote about a sultan, a legendary warrior, or a mythical creature makes the visit memorable. Supernatural and cultural highlights. Istanbul has a few fun supernatural traditions and myths. Legends of the Bosphorus. From mermaids to sea spirits, kids love hearing stories during a ferry ride. Local folklore, street tales, lucky charms, and colorful markets all give insight into culture in an engaging way. Mini experiences. You can also find short workshops or puppet shows depicting local legends. These cultural experiences are fun, interactive, and educational, all in one. Bonus tips for Istanbul with kids. 1. Don't overhype the trip. If you keep telling your kids, "This is the craziest city ever," or "This museum is the best in the world," you might set expectations too high. Under-promise, over-deliver. It works every time. 2. Keep a record of the trip. Encourage kids to write a daily journal, take photos, or do a small recap at the end of each day. They might not remember everything, but looking back later, it becomes part of the adventure. 3. Use small daily allowances. Let kids spend a little on snacks, toys, or souvenirs. It teaches them decision-making, keeps them engaged, and prevents constant begging. 4. Bathrooms and convenience. Public restrooms are available at larger attractions, malls, and ferry terminals. Smaller cafes and shops often allow bathroom use if you make a small purchase. 5. Balance sightseeing with downtime. Tired kids are cranky kids. Plan some free time each day. Let them explore a park, have ice cream, or just rest at the hotel. It keeps everyone happier. Sample 3-day itinerary for families. Day 1. Sultanate and Historic Core. Morning. Hagia Sophia and Basilica Cistern. A lunch. Spice Bazaar and Simit Snack. Afternoon. Topkapi Palace. Evening. Stroll around Sultanate Square. Day 2. Modern Istanbul and Bosphorus. Morning. Istanbul Aquarium or Miniaturk. Lunch. Local cafe in Kadıköy. Afternoon. Bosphorus ferry ride and Maiden's Tower. Evening. Dinner along the waterfront. Day 3. Day trip. Option 1. Prince's Islands, bike rides, ice cream, beaches. Option 2. Bursa, cable car, Yaludag views, historical mosques. Evening. Relax back in Istanbul. Istanbul is a city that sparks imagination and curiosity in kids and adults alike. With a mix of history, culture, food, and fun activities, a family trip here can be magical if planned well. Remember to pace yourself, involve your kids in the planning, and sprinkle in downtime. If you enjoyed this guide and want more family travel tips, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Istanbul with kids is unforgettable. Plan wisely, and the memories will last a lifetime.